Oportun provides personal loans designed for individuals with limited credit history or lower credit scores, often as an alternative to payday loans. Here's a quick overview. Oportun's personal loans typically range between $300 and $10,000, varying by state and individual creditworthiness. They will not approve first-time borrowers for more than $6,000. You can actually get up to $18,500 when you secure the loan with the title to your motor vehicle. They only offer secured loans in Arizona, California, Florida, Illinois, New Jersey, and Texas. Oportun advertises that their top APR is 35.99%. That may seem like a high APR, but it actually might be one of the lower rates that people with fair to poor credit could qualify for. Oportun focuses on people with fair to poor credit. They probably won't use your credit score to determine eligibility though. They will look at your credit history, the stability of your income, and assess whether you could afford the monthly payment. Oportun may charge an origination fee, but they'll call it an administrative fee. It can be as high as 10% and will be deducted from the proceeds of the loan. They will also charge a late payment fee up to $15 or 5% of the late amount, whichever is greater. They may also charge you a $15 failed payment fee if they attempt to pull your payment and you don't have enough money in your account. So it's important to carefully review your loan agreement for a detailed breakdown of all potential fees before you sign the loan agreement. That way you know what you're in for. You can apply for an Oportun personal loan online or in person at a Dole X location, which is partnered with Oportun to offer loans. If you have all of your information handy, filling out an application should take you less than 10 minutes. If you are approved, you can decide whether to have them send you a check or disperse the money directly into your account through direct deposit. If you would like to apply for a secured personal loan, you will need to live in one of these 6 states, have the original vehicle title, have a driver's license, proof of income, proof of address, and pictures of your automobile. Securing your loan could make you eligible for a larger loan amount. Just because they serve people with damaged credit, it doesn't mean that you're guaranteed to be approved. They may have stringent underwriting standards, but there is no harm in applying. They do a soft credit inquiry, so applying won't hurt your credit score. They will only do a hard inquiry if you accept the loan. Every lender has a different algorithm for determining whether to approve you, how much to offer, and at what interest rate. That's why we always recommend you shop around. At the Yukon project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our lending marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders. Behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit. We will show you all of your approved offers so you can pick the loan that would be best for you. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.